Hi everybody, in this video I'm doing an advanced workout from training stuff that has been a bit challenging for me, and I start with the freestanding handstand push-up, and after that I do some pull-up variations, and these are the bird pull-up and the back pull-up. In the handstand push-up I really just have to clean my form a bit, like keep the legs together, point my feet, and eventually I really want to be able to do this with more narrow stance, not let my elbows flare out, because I tend to have that as a bit of a problem. The mechanics of the handstand push-up just change quite a lot when the stance is narrow and body is straight, because then there has to be a lean. This is like up and down, but then it's there's more of a lean when you go down. Requires more balance and stability. But I'm basically training this, just doing as many reps as I can. This time it was 2 times 4 plus 2 times 5. I'm also trying some elevated handstand push-ups. This is actually more narrow stance now, but like you see, the control is not really that good. Still got the reps. This one is a bird pull-up. It's basically behind the neck L-sit pull-up. Requires a lot from the shoulder girdle, your muscles, to pull the scapula. Like, I have a bit of weakness in my scapular pulls, and this really takes a lot, because you can't even get up there if you can't fully depress, like retract the scapula. And my lift here is it's not smooth. Like, I have to first like pull the shoulder blades back first, and then start the movement. So, and also just pure adduction is not my strongest side, so really works all my weaknesses in my back. And that raising the legs like also helps to activate the lats. But this one is also for getting the back muscles active. Like, here we start from the scapular hang, like active scapular pull, and proceed to the pull up from there. Just trying to get the chest to the bar. Of course I can't raise myself that high, but just raise yourself as high as you can, and always keep that lean back posture. Okay, I'll finish with this behind the neck pulls in this cable machine. Doing partial reps, trying to keep the constant tension on the back, upper back area. Working on the teres major and lats and the trapezius muscles. Lightweight, heavy reps, just as a finisher. It's the end of the workout. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you soon.